Oh my god, this is good! Alright, YouTube. So, I got another present in the mail, and I've already tried it once, and I kind of like it. So, here's the old Bella's cold smoke generator tube. Here's the extension. It's a whole 2 inches longer. Alright? And that 2 inches, it made quite a difference. So, come on over here. I want to show you the inside of that cold smoke generator now that I got this tube removed after a full use. Alright, so that's after one use. And you know, I have to zoom in there real good. I'm sorry for the angle, but this is about the only way I'm able to show you. Alright, and I have to use a flashlight too. You know, but that's about the amount of ash we got. Not very much, and it's all burnt down into ash, so there's no pellets. And that's after one use. Alright, so how do I clean this? I'm sure I can follow the directions, remove this screw and the screw on the other side, let it all drop down. Well, I'm lazy though, and that means I have to go find the tool. I gotta find a bucket for underneath it. And you know, I've gotta work. Why work? So what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna feed my shop vac hose down there. And this thing's been off for 24 hours. It hasn't run for 24 hours. I know everything in there is out. There's no way it can still be lit. And I'm just gonna turn it on. It's all, you just find the hole, you put in the hole, you give it a little turn, and alright YouTube, I've already tested this once. I know it works a lot better. My next video, I think I want to make some little smokies wrapped in bacon for lunch, right? A little finger food. If you want to see this thing working, you watch that video. Alright, see you later, bye bye.